Okay, so I'm staying at this amazing ranch that has chickens. So I figured I might as well get some eggs for my breakfast nachos for tomorrow morning. Oh God, gonna distract them with some worms. Distract them. Look at these fresh eggs. Thank you, mother hens. Look at this little cutie. How beautiful. Should I try to pick one up? I don't know if I'm too scared. I touched it. Don't, you go away, you go away. I did it. I'm holding it. Hi. They like their bellies rubbed. Oh my God, this is fucking crazy. I've never held a chicken. This is how I get salmonella. I'm sweating. Okay, I'm gonna put it down. All right, there you go. Good girl. I did it. Eggs, let's leave. Bye.